This is called the surrender position. I'm all open, he got me here, cross face. So all I want to do is, I want to glue to him, no matter what he does, and see that he has to work to get out of me, not me having to work to get out of him. Does that make any sense? He's on top, he's controlling me. Okay? So first thing that you do, you have to learn how to control whatever limbs he gives you. Okay? Here right now, if Guilherme wants to circle around the arm, over here, he can target my arm right there. Okay, go back. He can do all kinds of things. So here right now, I try to keep my weight on this arm. Pull your arm out, Guilherme. Yeah, try to pull it out. You're gonna have to do more work than that. You see how much work? I'm hanging on him. Do you see that? No hands. Don't use your hands. Use your forearms and elbows. Like whatever he tries to do, you bring him to you. Move a little bit. Pull me away. Pull me away. Yeah. Let's say you want to mount. I'll let you mount. Go ahead and mount. Mount. See how off balance he got? Sorry. I'm already kind of rolling him off. I apologize if you don't warn you about that. Okay, so here, if the guy ever goes for the mount, go ahead. First thing that you do, this elbow is tied against the ground. And my knee's pointed out. So he tries to adjust my elbow. As he goes, my knee rotates here and I fall. And Guilherme is a tall guy. I don't know how many people can roll him, but it doesn't feel that easy, even with all my moves here. But did you feel off balance a little bit when you're for the mount? So if the guy tries to mount you by surprise, you just go along with it, okay? That's not what I want either. Okay, I want you here to kind of stay here and keep your leg up as much as you can. So if he tries to do anything, he has to pull his limbs from you. You see what I'm saying? You try to. See, he's kind of giving me too much right there. You gotta be careful so he doesn't get off base. Take your stick, stay on top. But here, if he's there, all I care is not to escape. I want you guys just to fight from the bottom, delaying whatever the guy wants to do it. So how do you feel here, Guilherme, when you cannot move this arm out?
Uncomfortable because I cannot go anywhere.
Yes.
I want to move and work on the next thing, on submission or mounting.
The other thing here too is, I don't try to control your arm. No, yeah. Even if you want to turn, I try to stay with your shoulder. So you see my grip here on the shoulder, so when you turn, go ahead and turn. Do the same thing that you did. Do you feel better now?
Yes.
Do you feel better or worse?
Worse.
Yeah, what do you feel?
Pressure on my chest.
So he's actually miserable here. Is that crazy or what? I don't give him this and I don't let his shoulder roll. And I'll stay here, so I want you guys just to train this. And don't bear with me if he tries to put pressure on my neck. Over here, I just lift my hip up. Yeah, crush my face with your shoulder. Yeah, I don't feel a thing. I'm good here. Do you see that? Let go for a second here. So the idea is, if you get stuck in the bottom on the surrender position, you shrug your shoulder and backhand kind of, even if you don't have the hand, backhand kind of ties it up. The other hand grabs your shoulder on the wrinkle and tuck your elbow in and get your hip and your knee elevated. And if he cannot rotate, it's actually make it harder for him to mount. First time was easy, real quick. Here, if he rotates his shoulder, go ahead, like that mount position that you did. Look, you see how his shoulder is rotated, how he actually bumped my elbow up? Now he has the space. Oh, right there. Go back again. So here right now, when I'm here in this position, do it again, same thing. What difference is that? Can you beat this elbow here? You cannot, because I have the shoulder. So this is what you have to learn. You make the guy miserable by just controlling him regardless. And here, if he tries to crush me, put weight on me. I don't feel a thing. I feel good. Flat your weight. Yeah, flat your weight. I don't feel a thing because my knee, look, my knee blocks this position here. When I pull this shoulder, I take all his weight. When I'm here, no, stay flat and crush me. Crush me. Yeah, put your weight forward now on top of me. Yeah, I feel all the weight right now. Go back. When I pull the shoulder and I tuck this elbow in, crush me. Yeah, I don't feel a thing, barely. And then when I lift this knee up, I feel good. So he is gonna have to run from me and try to do something. And as the guy tries to create space, keep moving a little bit. Eventually you crunch and get your elbow in. Don't try to escape. When you crunch, you see how I push the shoulder? And here he tries to do whatever, keep moving. So I have the hip, look. From the hip, I got you see, I don't try to put the guy in the guard. I only will get here and stay here. And then I'll try to move the second time to the guard after he moves again. I don't try to just go here and then put him in the guard because then he's gonna pass. I just kind of connect and stay. And when he moves, then I move. You understand that?
Yes.
Real quick. So how many of us, when you're here, you're like, ah, 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 ah. No. Connect here, look. My head and shoulders shrink. Shrug. All right? So if he tries to pull the arm up, he doesn't have it that easy. Here, I connect now this shoulder to my chest. And I stay here. And I wait. And he moves a little bit. See my elbow in, my knee in? I don't do anything. He keeps moving. Try to pass again. He can't finish the pass because of this shoulder. This is what controls him. Everybody focus on the hip. This is what matters here. You see how you're stuck there? You're trying to get out, and believe me, Guilherme is in a very good position. If I try to focus on his hip, go ahead. He passes back again because he has the arm control. So this thing here is where the money is, right here, the shoulder. But I can't control the shoulder, allowing this arm free because he can swing the arm over and attack me. So when you're here, this position, surrender, you shrug, okay? Knee up and turn. And here you're gonna connect right here. Oh. And then, you know, sometimes the guy might try something different, I don't know. But here, yeah, look, he moves a little bit, look. Yeah, keep your weight tight. He didn't give it to me, no problem. I'll stay here. I didn't try to get in anymore. I just got a little bit. Move a little bit more and I stay here. He tries to do whatever, pass. Look, I keep pulling that shoulder, look. He gave me the position. It's crazy because I'm pulling and then when I move, I push and then I pull again. What difference do you feel with that shoulder control?
I cannot waste my hips to reach the full mount and keep moving ahead. My ribs are kind of stuck, even not being hold.
Yep. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Okay, so let's break down 2 steps. Switch with me. Break down. Point your head the other way so I can actually. So now I don't want you to be in the surrender position to start with. I want you to be in a better position. But here I have you cross face. Okay. Shrug your shoulder, yeah, and control the arm. Then control the other shoulder there, keep blue. Yeah, I can't turn. Very good. I try to move a little bit. You're gonna shrimp and stretch the shoulder out. You push the shoulder away from you when you move your hip out. Quando você for fugir o quadril, você estica o teu braço que está segurando o meu ombro e puxa meu ombro empurra meu ombro para trás. Vai lá. So here, look, get your knee in. Go ahead. Stop, and then pull my shoulder again. Yeah, I can't spare. Yeah, there you go. So you're doing steps. Then I try to move again, push the shoulder again. Yeah, and then you get in. Do you see what I'm talking about? You try to do in small bursts instead of trying to get the position all together. If you happen to get mounted though, in this position, let's say I was here, all right? Yeah, he's gonna let me mount. Let's say, so as soon as I mount, this elbow here has to tie up and glue to the ground. And stretch your leg and point your knee out. That's all you need to kind of fulfill the role. Your knee is your compass. You don't try to roll the guy over with your foot on the ground. You get your elbow down, knee pointed out, like this. As your knee turns, the knee follows. Then from there, you can follow too. I want you guys to give it a try. I want you to